In this video, we'll be talking about easy homemade natural Viagra. Italian scientists have found that the juice of a watermelon acts as a natural Viagra, which helps to increase the libido in men who have mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. The watermelon has a large amount of vitamin C and is composed of 92% water. It contains only 71 calories per serving and is the perfect food for people who want to lose weight and to those who struggle with impotence. Let's see how to prepare natural Viagra with 3 easily available ingredients. First, you'll need 1/4 fresh watermelon, 1 fresh lemon, and 1 fresh pomegranate. You're going to put all the ingredients into a blender and blend them well. Then you're going to pour the mixture into a bottle and store it in the refrigerator. Next, you're going to drink 1/3 cup of the juice in the morning on an empty stomach and do the same before dinner. This easily made simple mixture is rich in natural ingredients like vitamin C and citrulline that'll improve your blood flow to your penis and increase your libido. But if you are serious about curing your erectile dysfunction, I recommend you take a look at the link in the description, which I have personally helped hundreds of men cure their erectile dysfunction naturally. You're not responsible for having erectile dysfunction, but you can take control and cure yourself. I was able to cure my and hundreds of other guys' erectile dysfunction with the link below. Check out the link in the description and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you.